Hi, Kristi in the Rada Kitchen, and today we're making quick and easy sweet potato soup. You will need 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 1½ cups chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, 1½ cups sweet potatoes, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 cup of milk and salt to taste. First, peel about 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes. The Rada Vegetable Peeler makes this very easy. Slice the sweet potatoes into cubes and boil the sweet potatoes until soft. In a heavy saucepan over medium-low heat, cook the flour and butter, stirring it constantly until the roux achieves a light caramel color. Add the broth and brown sugar, bring to a boil, and then lower to a simmer. Stir in the sweet potatoes and spices, bring to a simmer again, and cook for 5 minutes more. In a blender, puree the soup and return to the saucepan. Add the milk and season with salt and pepper, then reheat the soup. And there you have smooth and creamy sweet potato soup. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website at radacutlery.com.